Hi guys, welcome to this new video on my channel. In today's video we are going to test out my new slash bolt. I've put some new tires on it. I put some Badlands MX tires on there with Proline Split 6 Beadlocks wheels, which I have painted blue. I don't like the look of the red Beadlock rings, so I've made them blue. I've also put on this new body. This is a VW beetle body from Proline. It's the one with the lights in the center. You also have a version with the lights on the outside. I like this version better. I've modified an old front bumper to make it look different, and I've modified a new an old rear bumper to make it fit better. I've blown up a motor in this video. As you can see over here, here's my Hobbywing motor. I'm running a 3660 SL motor with a 120 amp max 10 ESC, and it blew up. The end bell just popped off, and yeah, I don't know what happened. It looks fine. Yeah, enjoy the video and you will see how it got this good.